About to go green, stay focused.
So a bit of NASCAR action, Talladega. I was less than a tenth off pole, but that's put me mid-pack. So that's how tight it is. It's just slipstreaming, isn't it? It's high-speed chess. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm in the right gear. I'm in second. I hope that's right. We'll see in a second, won't we?
Green flag.
There we
green
go.
Flag.
Yeah, it seems to be right. Crikey. He didn't get going, did he?
Clear inside.
Okay, well, let's just stick here, I think.
There, hold your line. Outside, clear.
Let's just follow this inside line.
Still
Okay,
there.
right. That's it then.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Stay low.
Okay. So it really is just literally foot to the floor.
Stay
Try
low.
and keep with the train. And it's so easy, I've found so easy to lose the train. Just ease off a tiny bit and all of a sudden they've gone. So I don't want to let that happen.
20, what are you doing? Come on, you gotta go.
Clear high.
Okay. Oh, they've suddenly slowed.
547. You're in the top 10.
What's going on here?
Side. Stay low.
Oh, we've suddenly slowed.
Still there. Keep low. Wrecking on the back stretch. Still there.
Oh dear.
Wrecking on the back stretch.
So I'm trying to push 19 along, but he seems really slow, doesn't he? I don't know what's going on here.
Keep low.
Why he's going so slow.
Clear high. Outside. Still there, hold your line. You're on the bottom, 3 wide. Still hold.
Do I stay on the inside or do I go? Because
Outside,
we're
2
just
wide.
not getting anywhere here.
Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Outside.
19
clear.
seems to be holding everyone up, so
51.9.
I'm going outside. I don't know what's going on there. And now he's sped up again, so what the hell is going on?
Car outside. Still there.
So, yeah, we've sort of lost train ahead, haven't we?
There's a car on the high side. Keep low.
What are we doing?
Stay low.
Be nice to get to the front of this group and get away. We're now going faster again. I don't know what's going on here.
Still there, hold your line. Still there. 50.48. New fastest lap for you. You're in the middle, 3 wide. The car in P15 just set
Okay.
fastest lap. 50.1.
Okay.
Clear.
Well, that wasn't good.
1.
I don't know.
We got damage on the front.
Oh
end.
dear, so we got some damage.
2. That aero damage is probably...
Oh dear, that's going to slow us. You can see on the revs we're slow, but let's keep going. Things happen very quickly, don't they, in this this race? I'm not going to get anywhere, am I, trying to overtake? But he's going slow as well, so I don't know.
They're catching us fast, we gotta stay lined up.
53.418.
Yeah, we need to be in the 51s, really.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 4.7 seconds.
Try and push him along, maybe.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 5 seconds.
Okay, 12 to go. Where are we? We're 11th, which I think is more or less where we started. I don't think we're catching those ahead though, are we? They're getting away. Don't know if Natasha's got any damage. Oh, big crash ahead.
609.
Okay, so let's see where is everyone going.
Slow car ahead.
Okay, they're on his roof. Down low. So that's 2 out. We're 9th. Gonna get past Natasha.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 4.
Yeah, people catching. If they're in a train, they will catch. I wonder if the guys ahead are damaged, because we are catching them too. So it might help if we have a bigger group.
Just did a 50.509. 53.012.
Yeah, this is the sort of pace you can do when you're on your own, more or less. Low 53s. So we're not really getting a lot of advantage here. We are catching these guys ahead, aren't we? So let's see. This aero damage is not helping me. Guys behind will catch us, I think. Can't even push her, really. I'm trying. I can't seem to get that. We are catching these guys ahead.
The gap is 3.
So if we can have a group of 4, that would be good.
52.514.
Not even closing in to push, so that's not going to work. And they seem to be working together now and are getting away again, so I think we're buggered here. Unless something else happens. This damage is not helping, mate. Yeah, 3 seconds ahead now, look. She must have some damage as well then, because we're not going quick enough.
52.395. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 2.3.
So they'll close on us.
If you can actually reach my bumper and push me, we can actually catch the cars in front of us.
Yeah, I'm trying, Natasha. I've got front end damage and I just can't get, I can't push you. That's me flat out and I just can't quite get to you. Yeah, we're trying. I guess there's no point me leading because I'll have like a barn door pushing through the wind, won't I? I can get closer in the bends, for whatever reason. And she's pulling away on the straight, look.
Closing on you. The gap is 1.4 seconds.
I'm closing here. Can't quite get that. Now we've got 4 behind.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 1.2 seconds.
So we're going to have a group of 4 clutch us in a minute, Natasha.
.416.
Here they come. For the last 5 laps, I guess. Let them go high.
Outside. Still there, hold your line.
So it's just a group of 2. Where's the other 2 then? Now then, what would be interesting is if she then can... If she can go with them, and that'll drag us along. Yeah, I think she's got front end damage as well by the looks of it. Okay, so we're in a group.
Car outside. Still there, hold your line. You're on the bottom, 3 wide. 52.273. Still there, outside, 2 wide. Things are looking good.
Okay, well I thought they would come flying by, but they haven't, have they?
Still there, hold your line.
We have caught somebody else up, so...
Keep low. Outside.
Here they all go.
Outside.
This is where I need to be careful I don't lose the toe.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 6.2 seconds. So low. The leader just did a 50.
Because I'm losing it here.
4.8. So low.
Still got this one here.
So low. 52.196.
Right.
Clear high.
I don't know if I've got the speed. Even with the toe. Maybe. Maybe. So, sort of on the edge. Can I keep with them? Can we all keep together? Maybe.
That car is a lap down. Car outside.
Yeah, I'm losing, aren't I? Look at that. Can't keep with them. Oh, maybe. Maybe I'm just getting back to them again.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 6.5.
I'm not going to be able to battle with them though. I just haven't got the speed, I don't think. I'm losing. Just don't have it. Going to drop behind soon. Oh, this guy's helping. So maybe.
2 left to go. 2 to go. The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 50.063.
See, can't you? It's nearly a second now. Just don't have that damage.
You're losing on the car.
Okay, well,
The gap is 1 second.
yeah, I think that's it now.
7.76.
What a difference it makes. Look at the revs dropping.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 7.6 seconds.
Okay, well, I think that's it. Let's see if they have a little accident or something. The guy behind is definitely helping though. How likely are they to have an accident in front, do you think? They're catching that group ahead of them as well. 1 to go. This is the lap. Yeah, look at that.
You're losing on the car.
Okay.
The gap
Somebody
is
going backwards into the wall.
2.5 seconds. Go low.
So that's 1.
1.781.
Oh dear.
On the car in front. The gap is 2.6 seconds. Wrecking in turn 3.
Another wreck. Is that another wreck or is that the same wreck? No, it looks like it might be another wreck.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap
Okay.
is 3.2 seconds.
I guess that's it.
Thank you for the pushing.
The car
They were
behind is
great.
closing on you. The gap is 7.1
Yeah, I love pushing.
seconds.
That was good fun. I take that as a win for me too.
Right, well that's it. We'll have a look at the incidents and just see what went wrong for us. Okay, then so here's the start then. So 17 didn't really get going. 9 came through and then let's see what happened then. Okay, you can see me ahead. Oh, right, yeah. Oh dear. Like pinball, isn't it? Well, they were lucky to keep going, weren't they, really? And this is me being pushed. So I get sort of pushed into... Yeah, I mean, there's not a lot I could do about that, really, I don't think. I think I was unlucky there. I mean, they just sort of pushed me in, didn't they? Yeah. Then what? Okay, that's someone up in... Oh! Gosh, in real life, this must be so scary. Okay, and what? Did you just come down too quick? Yeah. Red Bull. It's unusual to see a Red Bull car crashing, isn't it? Oh, oh, and that was the one we saw. Oh dear. Going down on his roof. Lovely. And then, is this the leaders, is it? Towards the end? Oh. Unlucky. Yeah, he did hit him, didn't he? Yeah, lots of hitting the wall, unfortunately. And, oh, what's this guy going to do? Oh, don't do that. Oh, why would you do that? That's just stupid. Okay. I'm guessing that guy won. Well done. That's it. Okay. Well, let's have a look at the results, shall we? So that was 3rd out of 5 splits. Yeah, dropped a bit of safety rating. Dropped a tiny bit of high rating. Could have been a lot worse. I mean, lap time wise, it doesn't really mean anything because of the slipstream, but 50 flat is what they did. I managed a 50.4. So, and that was early on, I guess, because I had that accident. Yeah, enjoyed that. 12th overall. Qualified 11th, so I guess I dropped a spot. But yeah, I do like doing these every now and again. That was one where I actually finished. Others I don't finish. But anyway, if you enjoyed that, if you want to see some other stuff, then do hit the like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.